In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a video to Canva. This is a simple process that will open up many design possibilities for your projects, whether you're looking to create engaging presentations, social media posts, or any custom design that includes video. To get started first, you'll need to have a Canva account. If you don't have one yet, head over to the Canva website and sign up. It's free to create an account, and this will unlock all the tools and features you need. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Canva homepage, filled with numerous templates and design ideas. Now that we're on the homepage, let's proceed to upload a video. To do this, look at the left sidebar on your screen where you'll find the Uploads button. It's typically symbolized by an icon that resembles a cloud with an upward arrow. Click on that. This section is your gateway to bringing all your own media into Canva. It's a versatile space where you can upload not just videos but also images and audio files that you want to use in your designs. After clicking on the Uploads button, you'll see an option labeled Upload Files. Click on this option and a dialog box will appear. Now you have the opportunity to select the video you wish to upload from your computer. Navigate through your files and choose the video that best fits your project needs. Canva supports a variety of formats, so you won't have to worry much about compatibility issues. Once you've selected your file, hit open. You'll notice a loading bar that indicates the progress of your upload. Depending on the size of your video and your internet connection speed, this could take a few moments. It's a good time to ensure your file name is clear and recognizable, as this will help you quickly find it later amongst other uploads. Once the upload is complete, your video will appear in the upload section, ready for use in your design projects. You can now drag and drop your video into any design template you choose. It's as simple as clicking on the video file in the Uploads bar and dragging it onto your project canvas. From here you can resize it, crop it, and place it precisely where you want within your design. With your video now in Canva, you have the freedom to enhance it with other design elements or texts, making it as creative and professional as you need it to be. And there you have it. Uploading videos to Canva is as straightforward as that. Enjoy exploring all the creative possibilities that adding video to your designs can bring. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.